Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Do you know what I got here? I got a new old stock Amiga 600 power supply unit that was replaced back then. This one has never been reassembled and connected and used nor nothing. A new old stock. There, it's dusty, and the other one is really dusty and all that, but guys, this is how it looks. Yeah, it's dusty, but I mean, look at this, brand new. On and off button here. Isn't that great? For the Amiga 600 or the Amiga 1200, it's the standard plug, you know, guys. Also the other one here. Isn't that just great to find something like this in your Amiga pile? A new old stock PSU. I mean, how often do we get to see something like this today? And look at the plug here. It's, I don't know if it's dust or it's just yellow. No, it's just dust. It's just dust. Look at under the dust, guys. Oh, it's just retro riding it again. Yeah, just want to share this this little PSU with you guys. Well, when we got a brand new PSU back then, it looked like this. I mean, this one never used, no nothing, but still, let's look at the caps. It has never been used, but still, it would be a great idea to replace these caps, these few caps that it has. But yeah. Oh, the fuse is missing, guys. What? I've looked. As you can see, it's for the Amiga 600, and I've looked through the box. The fuse is not included. The 4 screws that I have to reassemble this with is not included. So I mean, this one was in a box with this one. So maybe, I'm not sure, maybe this PSU is dead and they got this replacement. So they should take the fuse out from here and also the screws out from here and put it on here. I'm not sure, guys, because everything is missing. This one was just open like this in a box. Everything, it was just laying around like this. And there were also a Commodore 128 PSU that says dead, defective. So yeah, so I think maybe this one is dead and I need to take the parts from there over here. But how great is this to have one of these, guys? It's just, that's just amazing. Just want to share it with you. Have a nice day.